Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. Virgos, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Virgos. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. Virgos, and I'll be picking one card from the Crystal Spirits Oracle. So this is the card for y'all. So that will be a general guidance, guys. Virgos. So let's start with these cards, guys. Let's see, we have the Moon, Judgment in reverse, and Two of Wands. So with these cards in your situation, guys, Virgos, it may be in your career situation or personal life situation, guys. Maybe for some of you, you have some weakness or someone in your situation, maybe family member or a friend who is really close to you. They may have some addictions or they are sick, some illness may be the reason. So some kind of weakness they are having that is really stressing you guys. And maybe for some of you guys, you have huge dreams and aspirations for yourself, and you have achieved few dreams or goals and you are waiting for the next new venture maybe, or you have many offers or opportunities in your situation and you don't know what to take up next. So you are waiting for the right choice to make the right choice. So it may be something in your career situation, guys. So waiting for that opportunity. Or maybe it may mean something in your personal life. Maybe you have great goals or dreams for both of you for your future together. Maybe you are waiting for the right time to propose to this person. So some great hope or a beautiful future is what you are expecting today, guys, Virgos. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Eight of Wands in reverse, guys. So with this card in your relationship, guys, maybe for some of you, the mistakes you did or the mistakes on their part of your person is simply making them very uncomfortable. So maybe they want to tell you out, openly speak about that. Maybe they have come to a place where they cannot live without you and they feel you are the right person. So maybe for some of you, they want to tell you everything before they propose, before they step into a deeper commitment, guys. So they want both of you to have that clear communication and a beautiful understanding, Virgo. So it may be your energy or their energy towards you guys. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is King of Cups. So with this card in your career situation, guys, Virgos, you are someone who is really talented, skilled, and you are someone who is very responsible. So you take good care of the people around you. So the people in your career situation, you are someone they look up to for guidance and support, guys. And you are really confident, and that may be the reason that you are successful today, guys, Virgos. So let's see what is your Crystal Spirits guidance for y'all. So we have Amethyst. So that is the Crystal Spirit, guys. The energy with this card is that maybe sometimes in our relationship we are just too comfortable. We don't want anything new. But this Spirit's guidance is that even in our existing relationship, we can make it even more romantic, even more intimate and passionate when we step out of our old ways, guys. Maybe a new way of interacting. Maybe we should, maybe when we say thank you a lot or I love you a lot to the people we love, Maybe it may be small things, it may not look like a great change, but these small steps are going to help us build that beautiful relationship, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.